Welcome back to Diecast Graveyard. I'm your host today, Uncle Paulie. Well, it's time for another build-off, and Halloween is just around the corner. So get your build-off stuff ready to go. You can use any 1/64th casting. That's going to be pretty simple to accommodate. It must be a classic monster themed from a movie or something like that. The video must be posted by 31 October. Glamour shots to me by 1 November, please. And make sure you take some pretty darn good glamour shots, okay? Because people are going to be voting on them. You can use classic monsters like Frankenstein, The Mummy. This is all classic stuff. Phantom of the Opera. Dracula. This is good stuff here. Bride of Frankenstein. Creature from the Black Lagoon. And of course the werewolf. Now I'm missing some like the Invisible Man, etc. There will be award plaques for first, second, and third place by popular vote. And my vote only counts in the event of a tie. So that should be pretty simple. Register in the comments your intention to participate. Now, if you don't have a YouTube channel, no worries. Just go ahead and get me your glamour shots and you'll be entered in to win one of the 3 award plaques. So this is going to be a lot of fun, folks. So put on your best Halloween mask and get to building, because you've got a little over a month to make this happen, and this is going to be great. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Let your friends know about this build-off. It's going to be a lot of fun. Now it's time for you to show off, okay? Subscribe to Diecast Graveyard. We got a lot more videos coming out. We got a lot more prizes to give away. Thanks for participating, and cheers.